You, oh no, this is my first job ever. I hope everything
Hey.
goes right.
Hey, you in the van.
Yeah.
You in the
Yeah.
vans. Can I tell you not to wear that jacket? You're not in regulation.
Oh my.
Go and
Oh my
change out.
gosh. Okay.
Anyways, I gotta
Alright.
take a shit. Don't believe in stupid while I leave. You're doing a good job.
Alright, I got it. Yo. Oh, yo, supervisor, somebody fell down. Supervisor. Who was that? God damn.
Oh, come
You-
the fuck on. This is the second one this day. What's going on with paychecks?
This day? I just showed up.
I'll looking forward to that fucking bonus, dude. Don't call an ambulance. Don't call a fucking ambulance.
I'm not going. Let me stop this.
Somebody call